Today, we're gonna do a non-bake Oreo pie. It's gonna be delicious. She's gonna tell you what we do first. Step 1.
Okay, so first of all, you're gonna need 24 Oreos, whole Oreos, and then over here we have 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and what we're gonna do is heat this up in the microwave.
Melted butter, gotta melt it. Make sure it's melted.
Make sure you put something on top or else it'll go everywhere in your microwave.
You don't want that, boys. You want to clean that up. She does that. I start putting Oreos in this food processor. Now, I'm just gonna do a little bit at a time because this ain't very big. But you want them fine, as fine as you can get it. Crumbs. You want the crumbs as fine as they can be. Fine as wine.
And then if you don't have a food processor, what you can do is get a couple of cookies, get a Ziploc bag, and crush them all up.
We'll be right back whenever all this is done.
Okay, so once you have the butter melted and the Oreos chopped, what you want to do is get a pie dish.
9 inches.
9 inches.
Make sure you got a 9-inch dish.
And what you're gonna do is combine them all together and create a crust. And what we're gonna do now is put this in the oven for 10 minutes.
Right. Alright guys, so what you need for the filling is some cold, heavy whipping cream,
A cup.
cup of it, 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, teaspoon of vanilla extract, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 12 Oreos that are going to be chopped. So that's what you need for that. But yeah, we're going to put the cold heavy cream into this bowl. That's the same. We're gonna go over here. Make sure you use the whisk attachment on medium to high speed, 4 minutes for this.
And while he's doing that, I am going to chop these 12 Oreos.
Alright guys, we got the whipped cream all whipped up. We're gonna set that aside for right now. Now what you wanna do is get your bowl. Put the cream cheese in there, make sure it's room temperature.
No.
What?
You just do this first until it's good and combined, and then you add it. Just do that.
Once you got the cream cheese in your bowl, you want to mix it until it's smooth, really smooth, with the whisk attachment. Right. Now you want to add powdered sugar, vanilla extract. After you mix that for about a minute or 2.
Okay, so now that we have the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla all mixed together, what we're gonna do is put our heavy whipping cream and our chopped Oreos. What we're gonna do is put the Oreos in here. Straight in. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna go with the cream cheese and it's gonna be stirred up.
Make sure you do it on a low speed. The lowest setting the mixture has.
And if your mixer is too fast, then what you want to do is get a spatula and just fold it in.
We'll see y'all when it's done. Alright guys, we done mixed it all up. That's what it looks like. Now, I'm gonna get your crust that you made in the beginning. Put all this on there, like so.
You just do.
And now what you want to do is, hey, smooth it on out. I'm a professional. I'm gonna let her take over. When in doubt, let the girl take over. That's right. What I've always said. See, I did pretty good. What are you talking about? All you did was 2 little moves. It was done.
You better move better than yours.
No way. Y'all let me know who did it better, me or her.
Okay, and then once that you have it on there as best as you can, what you're gonna want to do is get some what do they call it, wrapping paper?
Plastic wrap.
Plastic wrap.
It ain't Christmas around here.
You're gonna want to get some plastic wrap and refrigerate it for up to 6 hours.
Or you can use aluminum foil. Aluminum. Go on, get you some plastic wrap. Wrap it around yonder. Alright, boys. Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow for a taste test. Alright, boys, here's the pie. We're gonna taste it. It's good. You taste it. It's good, boys. If y'all like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all tomorrow going fishing.